Mental health is a big issue when it comes to the people who work professionally in technology. As the era of artificial intelligence is heralding on our doors, there is a lot of growing concern among the technology professionals, especially the ones who are working in cloud and DevOps and similar fields, to worry about if AI would take away their jobs and how they are going to cope. So, mental health, when it comes to AI, should be paid attention right now. The transformative power of generative AI and what it means for mental health services. How do you see the value of advancement in technology translating into these services? In my opinion, instead of worrying about it, we should think on the terms that how we can use AI to improve mental health and how we can embed these AI chatbots, all the large language models, all that training data into our healthcare system. AI-powered chatbots and their potential in the realm of mental health have witnessed remarkable advancement in the past 6 months, fueled by the widespread interest and enthusiasm surrounding chatbot applications like ChatGPT. This surge in interest has ushered in a transformative era where chatbots have transcended their previous role as mere annoyance on business websites and have evolved into valuable tools that the general public actively seeks out and engages with. This paradigm shift in perception towards chatbot has had profound implications not only in commercial context but also in the field of mental health. What was once regarded as an inconvenience has now garnered all around acceptance, with chatbots being recognized as potent psychological instruments. The growing understanding and appreciation of the benefits that they offer have expanded their utility, leading to increased adoption across various domains. Responding to this changing landscape, several innovative AI platforms tailored for mental health have emerged, leveraging the OpenAI API and building upon the foundation laid by ChatGPT. The integration of AI-powered chatbots in the mental health arena has generated substantial interest, given their capacity to provide accessible, scalable, and cost-effective support and guidance. By embracing the transformative potential of chatbots in mental health, we can address the persistent challenges posed by clinical shortages and resource imbalance. The empirical evidence stemming from the extensive utilization of social media and gaming highlights the inherent ease with which individuals can become addicted to technologies. Finally, there are global issues to consider, such as computing power and climate change. But let's discuss it in a different podcast. I hope that this evoked some interest and some thoughts in you. If you like, you can put them in the comment section. Thank you very much.